Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to invite collaborations on Instagram after posting reels. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Instagram app. Okay, click on profile, tap on reels option. Okay, click on reels. Okay, tap on three dot option. Okay, then back, click on this post, tap on three dot option, then click on edit option. Okay, then tap on tag people, then invite collaborations, just click, then someone. Okay, then tag someone, then done. That's all. Then one person add, then done. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.